Here's the app called DUBS, Find Gaming Trends. It's not yet in super top charts, but it's getting closer. So here's how you can just create your account, and then you can just sign in with Apple. So let's see how it looks like. Now you can see the check mark in the bottom to receive email. It's automatically checked in. I actually don't like it, but there you have it. And then you can just do that. And this is the idea how you can find what is that. So here you can just find some group chat related to specific game, and that's the idea. So combination of group chats, and then you can just set up your profile. You can find friends, you can refer friends, and this is like how you can do that. I don't know what you're getting if you're referring friends. And then your account, you can add some socials accounts in, and then that's it, basically kind of social for gaming. Get verified, and then so that's basically the idea how you can see in here. And that's basically how you can just join this creator program, and that's what it is. And so there you have it. And yeah, so something like that. And so
Hey fam, welcome to DUBS.
and that's the idea.